To build your own faceless YouTube channel and start earning substantial money, I'll demonstrate how to use ChatGPT and Canva to accomplish the same, and ChatGPT is where we'll start. Alright, I want to instruct ChatGPT to produce love quotes that adhere to a particular style with a hook that entices listeners to the second half. It's all about perspective. So let me offer ChatGPT two examples. If you truly love someone, you have to let them go, or chain them up in your basement. Now that I'm giving ChatGPT an audience in particular, and specifying that I want these quotations to be about subjects like love, heartbreak, and companionship, let's test its comprehension by asking it for an illustration. The videos I want to create have three parts: the first portion of the statement, followed by the second part, and a topic like a girl or boy facts. Ready to dive deeper? Therefore, I want ChatGPT to produce quotes with a theme, a first portion, and a second part like this. This is a crucial step, so I'll ask ChatGPT to categorize them in an Excel-like style. After that, I want to make sure that there are also some quotes about heartbreak. Try asking ChatGPT to come up with 100 original quotes. Okay, I'll skip this because it comes down to the fact that ChatGPT can't produce 100 quotations at once, so we have to produce 30 quotes at once, and then we'll still reach 300 this way. Therefore, limit your request to 30, and keep asking it to produce 30 more until you get the required number of quotes. Okay, let's copy and paste each quotation into Excel. Now, I have over 300 quotes that ChatGPT generated. Let's start using Canva to create some fancy YouTube videos now. Visit canva.com, then click on Mobile Video. The design portion will appear on the left. You can search for templates depending on your project here, and choose from a variety of templates. In this instance, I'm looking for Instagram posts with quotes that are similar to the ones we are discussing in terms of relationships. There are several templates that fit my description. Still want to learn more? If yes, please stay till the end to discover and learn a new secret prompt. The objective is to mimic the quote style used in those YouTube videos that we previously saw. So somewhere towards the top of the screen, I'll place the topic text, such as female facts, boy facts, and buddy facts. A simple trick is to move a place on the top toolbar and then click on center, because as you can see, it's no longer in the center. To see how it appears, let's place it in a quote. Since the quote is hard to read, I'm going to put a background for it under the effects portion of the top toolbar, where you can pick from a variety of colors. I prefer black, although the phrase has to be a little bigger. Since you are aware that quotes are always composed of two parts, I will copy and paste this to create a second text block. I'll temporarily lower it a bit and paste the second portion of the quote here. One thing to note about this template is that all the text has been animated. I don't want animations in this type of video. Therefore, I'm going to take them out of all the text blocks. The type of video I want to create is divided into two sections. The first 9 seconds show the first portion of the quotation, followed by a 1-second wait before the second part of the quote, which lasts about 1.5 seconds when revealed. This is due to the fact that 1.5 seconds is simply too quick for people to read. As a result, they will rewatch the video, giving you a wonderful watch time and causing YouTube to promote your video to a large audience. After that, choose show timing by performing a right-click on the quote's initial phrase. This will demonstrate the length and positioning of the text in the video. The first 9 seconds of the quotation should be followed by a 1-second pause before the second half of the sentence begins at the 10-second mark. We want the video to terminate after only roughly 1.5 seconds of the second half of the quote. Drag the conclusion of the video to the conclusion of the second quote. The second section of the statement should then be centered on the screen, and then we're finished. Let's take a look at how it appears. Perfect. We have completed our video template. The true magic will happen when we enter the quote database into Canva, allowing me to quickly create hundreds of different videos. Afterwards, duplicate your Excel list of quotes by going to Programs in the left menu, searching for Bulk Generate, choosing Enter Data manually, and clearing all data. I'll only enter 30 for the time being, pasting them into Canva along with their names. The first 30 quotes are in, as you can see, so we can click Done. Next, we want to link the various text passages to the appropriate sections of the video. To do this, right-click on the text in the video and select Connect Data. Choose the appropriate data to be included in the text. Since the theme will be emphasized in this section, choose the theme. Now, if you have an AI idea, but are having trouble coming up with the ideal prompt to explain it, we'll choose the best prompt for you if you leave a comment below, and we'll reveal the results in our next video. Before we move further, if you're getting any value from this video, please subscribe and like, because it will really help us grow. Also, be sure you have turned on the notification bell to be notified when we upload new content. Now, drag the second portion down to access the first half of the quote. For the first half of the quote, choose the first section, and for the second half, select the second part. Put the second component back in the center of the video once you've connected all the data pieces, and we're ready to begin. Now that every piece of data has a purple check mark on the left, we are prepared to create the video. Click Generate 30 pages after selecting Continue. We now have 30 YouTube videos with various quotes, which is awesome. By choosing elements from the menu bar on the left, you can make manual changes to this. You can use this page to search among many videos, pick one that you prefer, and then click the three dots at the top of the video to choose or replace the background. However, I won't repeat this process 300 times, and I don't require a distinct background for each of the 300 videos. This brings us full circle to the reason I didn't create the 300 videos all at once. You can do that, but there's a better method. Let me show you how. Return to the previous page and begin the bulk creation process from step 1 once more. Manually select the inner data and empty the table. Then, copy the row names from your Excel sheet and paste them into Canva. Next, copy the following 30 quotes from the Excel document, paste them into Canva, and click Done. As you can see, each data point has a purple check mark, allowing us to press the Produce button. However, let's modify the background first. Once you've found a video that catches your eye, go back to Elements and pick Replace the Backdrop by clicking on those 3 tiny dots. The new video will be the same length as the backdrop video you choose, so if it's a 2-minute video, be prepared for a long ride. You will need to modify the length whenever you change the background. Go back to Bulk Create now and choose to generate 30 pages. 30 more videos will appear shortly. The joys of video editing are similar to painting, but instead of a brush and canvas, I'm staring at a screen. Beautiful! You can now go to Share, click Download, select the resolution you want, and download the pages as individual files. All that's left to do is repeat these instructions 8 more times, and 30 minutes later, you'll have 300 incredible YouTube Shorts. If you've benefited from this, please subscribe and like this video, because it will really help us grow. Also, be sure to click the notification bell to be notified when we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.